The Chicagoland Kimchi Pork Belly Index runs just under $20 with just two ingredients, pork belly and kimchi. This type and brand of kimchi just happens to be made right here in Chicago. Now you can find pork belly and kimchi pretty much at any local grocery store nowadays, but I still prefer going to Korean grocery stores, and here's why. You ever have a jar of pickles sitting in the fridge for too long and now they're just limp and overly sour? That's generally how kimchi is at the local grocery store. In general, at Korean grocery stores, they're having a larger turnover, so the kimchi is fresher, it's more crisp, the flavors are more bright, and not just overly sour. And the same thing with pork belly. If your Korean grocery store has a full service butcher, chances are they have a whole area just for pork belly. It cuts in different ways and in different prices, and to be honest, any of them would work for this recipe. In general, the less butchered the pork belly, the cheaper it's going to be. The difference can be up to $3 a pound, so in this particular case, it would be a full $3 cheaper if you just spent a couple minutes slicing your own pork belly. This recipe with 3 cups of rice feeds about 4 to 6 people, and so that makes this dish a bit over $3 a person. And because of the simplicity of the ingredients and the amount of prep time involved, this is definitely one of our go-to weekday meals, with plenty of leftovers for lunch the next day. Especially in the wintertime, it's a great way to heat up the house. Do you have a favorite brand of kimchi? Let everyone know in the comments.